Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So let's just dive into today's video because I literally can't wait any longer. I did my makeup really quick, I fixed up my hair. Let's just get started because I'm so excited. But today I have my first ever mystery box from Jeffree Star. This is the Halloween one. Now I wanted to get the big box that was like $160 and I had it in my cart and I had my size picked out and there was something going on with the website and it wouldn't let me. So it sold out, and then I saw that there was a size small, and I was like, oh my god, I'll just get that, I don't even care. Ordered that, that sold out. So I ended up getting, I think this is like the deluxe or the premium, I can't remember, but I got the middle size. So I'm even lucky to just have this in my hands because all the other times I went to get a mystery box, they sold out. But this time I set an alarm and I was good to go, ready to go. And I just want to dive right on in because I am so excited. I have not seen any sneak peeks, so I literally have no idea what's in here. And I just can't wait any longer. So let's just get started. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've never, like I said, I've never gotten a mystery box from Jeffree Star before, so this is what I see when I open it. And I'm not mad at it at all. So black tissue paper. Cool. Oh my god, this is so cute! I got a Can't Relate shirt in the size medium. I was trying to figure out why they were asking my size. I'm like, I'm definitely not gonna get like a actual tracksuit. Oh my god. This is actually a cute one too. They had another one that had like a zombie on it and I wasn't a huge fan of it. This is cute. Oh my god, it's my first Jeffree Star shirt. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is adorable. I love the little like, oh my god. I am blown away by what's in here right now. You have no idea. I've seen past mystery boxes and I was like, meh, like they're just trying to get rid of stuff. But this one, I'm at a loss for words. So the first thing I got is this Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in the shade Frostbite. And I'm not a huge liquid highlighter person, but I've heard that these are amazing. And that's gonna match me perfectly because I'm literally so freaking pale. But let's swatch this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm gonna use a brush to blend it out. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I'm not mad at that. So like I said, I don't really wear a ton of liquid highlighters, but I have always wanted to try his, and maybe now I will because that is so freaking pretty. Okay, next I got the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Poinsettia, which right now I'm actually wearing Celebrity Skin, and I love his liquid lipsticks. They are so good. Oh my god, that is a beautiful Christmas color. It's a red metallic. That is so pretty. Oh my god. That's like a color I'd wear too, like for Christmas time especially. Oh my god. Next I have a lip ammunition, which I've never tried one of these before, so I'm actually pretty excited. This one's in the shade Candy Freeze, and it looks like it's gonna be like a hot pink. That is so cute. I love that it looks like a little bullet. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow, okay. So honestly, this color really scared me. I was like, oh my god, hot pink glitter. But swatching it, it's actually really, really pretty. Like, I genuinely wear that. It's not too hot pink. It's kind of like a baby pink with a sparkle in it. But right when I saw this, I was like, but no, that's actually wicked pretty. And it's super smooth and buttery. Oh my god. I might have to get more of his lip ammunitions because I love the packaging. That is just so freaking cute. But next, this is the gloss. Now, I did order this off, not this color, but I did order a shade off of Beauty Bay. I'm still waiting for that package to come in the mail. So this is the first color that I've literally ever owned. The next one that I'll own is, I forget what shade it is. I think it's the nude one, but I ordered the Blue Blood palette and the gloss because it was on sale on Beauty Bay's website, and I really wanted the Blue Blood palette, but oh my god, I've been dying to try his glosses, and this color is so pretty. It's like a It's a clear gloss, but it has like a pinkish gold reflex to it. Oh my god. And the packaging, like, I just can't. So now that I know what this kind of looks like on my hand, I am so excited to get the other color. I'm glad I didn't get a duplicate. This one's in Crystal Kiss. I don't know if I already said that. And like I said, the one I'm getting is like a nude, so I can't wait. Oh my god. Next is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Mystery Frost. I've never owned any of his highlighters. Literally the only thing I own from Jeffree Star is the Jawbreaker palette, the Blood Sugar palette, some Velour liquid lips, the concealer, the powder, and I think that's it. I think that's all I have. This thing is ginormous. Hopefully this is wearable for me. Whoa, what the heck? It's like, it has gold and black and like, it kind of looks like paint splatter. What the heck? I have to swatch this. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It's up here. And I might be able to make that work as a highlighter for me. I'm so mad because my camera stopped recording on me and I didn't realize it, and I already finished unboxing everything, so you're not going to see my genuine reaction. But let me just tell you, I was so freaking excited. But like I was talking about, let's talk about the highlighter. Now, it's definitely a shade that might be too dark for me, but it is still really, really pretty, and I could probably wear it as an eyeshadow, but I could probably make it work as a highlighter too if I use a little bit. I'd have to test it out a little bit more, but it is so pretty, and I'm shocked because I was not expecting to have like a mystery frost, because I'm pretty sure that means it only comes in the mystery boxes, which is kind of cool, not gonna lie, so I'm just so excited about that. And now the next thing, I already opened and swatched, and I wish I was recording because I was so excited when I opened this. I just cannot believe it right now. This is the mini Jawbreaker palette. Now I almost bought this when I ordered the actual Jawbreaker palette, and I didn't because I was like, don't need it. Now that I have it in my hands, I am so happy. Like, I literally bought this box for like $70, $80, something like that. And it's already worth it. Like, everything I've gotten, I'm just so excited about. Let me show you the inside of the Jawbreaker palette. It's just so cute. It's a little mini guy to go with my like actual Jawbreaker palette. But anyways, I went ahead and I swatched the first row, and that's what the shades look like. I'm awful at swatching on my arm, but so freaking pretty. Like, his eyeshadows are so bomb, and I haven't had any issues with any of them, and now I have a little sister to go with my big sister palette. But I was so shocked to see this in here. Like, I've seen other mystery box unboxings from like last year or the beginning of this year, and none of them had a palette inside of it. So now next is a mirror. Now, I've always wanted a mirror, but I was like, it's a want, not a need, Bryanna. It's a want, not a need. Like, realistically, you don't need it. Now I have one, and I'm so excited. I don't even care about the color. I'm just excited to have this in my hands now. And it is the orange one. And it's so cute. Hunter status right here, like camo and bright neon color. I'm so excited to have this in my hands right now. Like, I just want to be like, hi, or no. How does he do it? I want to copy him. Hold on. I used to know, like, off the top of my head, but I can't remember for the life of me. I haven't watched, like, one of his, like, makeup videos in a long time. Ready? Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? I have a Jeffree Star mirror in my hand right now. I am just so excited that I was able to get my hands on this box. Now, of course, I wanted the bigger one, but just the fact that I was able to even get this one, I'm still super excited about. I got a shirt, I got some bomb makeup, I got a freaking mirror, a Jeffree Star mirror. Like, oh my gosh, my heart is full now. I wish I got an extra one to give away for you guys, but I'm even lucky to have one right now, honestly. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!